Welcome to Mambo. Throttle warning.
I see you, you see me. How pleasant this feeling. The moment you hold me, I missed you. Sorry, I've given what I have. Showed you rolling the ashes. For slowly, it's your voice consoles me as the hours pass. I'll let you know. I need to ask if I'm alone. What feels to rest on your patient lips? You eternal bliss. You're so glad to know. As the hours pass, I'll let you know. I need to ask if I'm alone. What feels to rest on your patient lips? You eternal bliss. You're so glad to know. To draw me in motion, feeling like patience, controlling the question. I won't speak when telling the stories. My laughter, he knows me. When leaving, when talking, you're closer. It's calling as the hours pass. I'll let you know. I need to ask if I'm alone. What feels to rest on your patient lips? You eternal bliss. You're so glad to know. As the hours pass, I'll let you know. I need to ask if I'm alone. What feels to rest on your patient lips? You eternal bliss. You're so glad to know. The night will hold us close and the stars will guide us home. I've been waiting for this moment. We're finally alone. I turn to ask the question. So anxious, my thoughts. Your lips were soft like winter. In your passion, I was lost. As the hours pass, I'll let you know. I need to ask if I'm alone. What feels to rest on your patient lips? You eternal bliss. You're so glad to know. As the hours pass, I'll let you know. I need to ask if I'm alone. What feels to rest on your patient lips? You eternal bliss. You're so glad to know. As the hours pass, I'll let you know. I need to ask if I'm alone. What feels to rest on your patient lips? You eternal bliss. You're so glad to know. As the hours pass, I'll let you know. I need to ask if I'm alone. What feels to rest on your patient lips? You eternal bliss. You're so glad to know.
Ew. I'm just walking back from flying a bit at the towers. It is very cold, very, very cold. My fingertips between each pack, I had to put them in my underlayer pockets and warm them back up again so that they'd be alive for the next pack. I only done 5 packs because I wasn't about to sit here charging in the freezing cold. It's kind of cool though because it's a little bit foggy, and just above the top of the towers you can't really tell, I guess, how high the cloud is, but that's pretty much where it seems to be sitting, and I could get into it without even being that high really. It sort of just sits above the towers. It's cool. I probably won't even leave this in, but if I do, I'll probably put it at the end because, well, it is the end. I'm going home. I'm gonna get an ice scraper from the co-op on the way back, I think, so I can get the ice off the car in the morning. Because check this out. It's icy. Let me in. Lights on. Actually, lights off for now. I warm the car a little bit. I'll stop recording this.